Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. As we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of a further slump in oil prices. But first, Japan's third quarter economy shrank more than first estimated in data out overnight. It fell 1.9% rather than the 1.6% first reported. China's trade balance jumped sharply in November, but in an odd way. Exports grew just 4.7%, far less than the 8% expected, and the 12% in October. However, imports actually fell. They were down 6.7% rather than the 4% rise that was expected, and the 4.6% growth in October. Lower oil prices are benefiting China in a major way. And at the same time, this data suggests China is slowing faster than expected. There are growing calls from within China for more stimulus. One reaction to all this has been that Chinese currency has fallen sharply, even against the New Zealand dollar. It is now near its lowest level since 2010. Europe's banks face a tough year in 2015 as fresh and as yet unfinished regulatory hurdles compound problems created by a stalling economy. That's what credit rating agencies Moodys and Standard & Poor's warned overnight. In Australia, they appear to be ready to impose a Google tax following the British moves recently. In New York, US Treasury 10-year bond yields fell marginally today and are now at 2.29%. The oil price has fallen sharply again in US dollars. It is now merely $63 a barrel, and the Brent price is down to $66 a barrel. $50 oil looks entirely possible. Oversupply problems look they'll extend well into 2015. And weaker than expected economic data of both China and Japan isn't helping either. Also, another problem is that hedge funds may be selling out, having overbet on the sector. First they lost on gold, and now they're losing on oil. Today the gold price is hovering at $1,194 an ounce. The Kiwi dollar has fallen further against the US dollar overnight, and it's now just at its lowest level since June 2012. We start today at 76.6 US cents, 92.4 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 77.5. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.